Hey everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we are going through the crankshaft position sensor location for the 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4.7 liter V8 engine. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. As I said, we're going through the crankshaft position sensor location on the 4.7 liter V8 engine on the 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, this is the same location for all 2004 to 2009 Jeep Grand Cherokee models that have the 4.7 liter V8 engine in there. So it will be at the same location. It's not that hard to get to, guys. It is one 13 millimeter bolt holding that crankshaft position sensor in. And as long as you take that bolt out, you should be able to just rock the crankshaft position sensor out of its lodging. Okay, out of the hole that Mopar went ahead and set it in. So if you can't, go ahead and I used a pry bar to get mine out. 2 pry bars will actually give it enough. Use one to keep the sensor, upright, and then the other one to add a little bit of pressure, bringing it out of the block. So be careful with it, guys. You do not want to break it off in the block. If you do, you have a bigger problem on your hands that you have to deal with. So very easy. Let's go ahead and get in there, show you where it's at, show you how easy it is to get this thing out and get it replaced. All right, guys, there you have it. So easy. One bolt, rock it out, put the new one in. Don't forget to add a little bit of oil or grease around the outside of the crankshaft position sensor. When you go to put the new one back in, it'll just make it easier instead of just, trying to put something in a dry hole. Just doesn't really work too well. So go ahead and try that, guys. That will fix your crankshaft position sensor circuit. Engine trouble code that you have on your dash right now, and you will be all good to go. If you had a misfire, that misfire is going to go away because the crankshaft position sensor and the camshaft position sensor are very, very vital to your system. They talk back and forth, telling the computer how much air and how much fuel to put in. That because it's just judging everything. It tells you when you have a knock. It tells you when you have a misfire. Man, the thing is very important. So it's good that you found out the location and you are able to replace it. Average cost for this repair is $100 to $130. You notice that the crankshaft position sensor is only like $20. Well, that means the repair shop, the automotive repair shop, usually charges $100, $80 to $100, okay, just to take that one bolt out and put your new sensor in. So there you go. You just saved yourself some money. If you want to know what to do with that money, check out the video description and see what I do with my extra change for myself and my family. Also, guys, thank you so much for checking out another great video here on the channel. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. That way you are notified of all my future auto DIY videos coming up in the future. And if you're looking for a lot of Jeep Grand Cherokee content, especially the WK model, you found the right place, guys. I've done numerous rebuilds on these WKs. I love them. They are great vehicles, and I look forward to doing many more. So thank you so much, you guys. And until next time, hey guys, keep on wrenching. Take care.